Alright, today we will be learning about Newton's 3 laws. Alright, Newton's first law: every body preserves its state of being at rest or of moving uniformly straight forward, except insofar as it is compelled to change its state by forces impressed. What? To put it simply, an object doesn't accelerate unless there's a net force acting on it.
Oh, okay then.
For example, if you fired a missile, the rocket propulsion is the force making it move, and if it doesn't hit anything, it'll eventually stop due to air resistance and gravity.
Alright, Newton's second law: the alteration of motion is ever proportional to the motive force impressed and is made in the direction of the right line in which that force is impressed.
I understand maybe 30% of
It means that the acceleration is proportional to the force applied and the mass of the object.
I still don't get it.
Okay, so let's say a fighter jet takes off with a force of 500 Newton. The acceleration is proportional to the force.
Oh, so it would have an acceleration of 500 meters per second squared.
Well, no, you have to take the mass into account too. For example, let's say the jet is 20 kilograms. You would take the force, 500 newtons, and divide it by the mass, 20 kilograms, to get an acceleration of 25 meters per second squared.
Oh, I get it. So acceleration equals force divided by mass.
Yep, that's right. So anyways, Newton's third law is...
Hey, before we go any further, you mind just saying the simple version instead of the BS long one?
Don't interrupt me!
I hate you!
As I was saying, Newton's third law states to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, or the forces of two bodies on each other are directed in opposite directions. In other words, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Not that I really need to say that, considering how simple it was. Okay, so let's say, for example, a fighter jet and a goof were flying at each other at the same speed, and if we assume they had an equal or similar mass, the resulting collision would cause them both to stop and fly back because of the force that they both exert on each other. Of course, this is assuming they don't violently explode on impact. And those are Newton's 3 laws. I hope you learned something, and if you didn't, then you can piss off.
The hell? Revenge, you crazy ass bastard!
Did you see? Oh, this is gonna be fun.